So I never showed you guys what the front of the hotel looks like. So it looks like this, and then our building is literally that one there, and we're like on the 3rd floor. So we're right close to the bus stop, which is literally here.
You got a cold?
I have got a cold, can you tell? So we have just got the bus from our hotel to Epcot, and then we now have to go and get the bus to Blizzard Beach, because that's where we're spending our day today. We're both looking very like sliders.
Summery.
Summery, yeah. It's 28 at the minute, but it feels way hotter, and it's going to be, what, 32 degrees today. Any chance of rain?
Nope.
No chance of rain?
Yeah, good day.
Really good day to be at the water park. So yeah, if you guys do ever come and you stop in a hotel that's not in Disney, not in Universal, none of that, like if you've got the internal buses, this is how you do it. You literally don't have to pay for an Uber to get to like the water parks or anything. Like literally just use the Disney internal buses, because once you've paid for your ticket you're allowed to use them, even to the hotels. Like if you were having food there or anything. Wow, you can't even see me. So we actually did it wrong. You have to get a bus to Animal Kingdom Lodge and then get the bus from Animal Kingdom Lodge to Blizzard Beach. Just look how amazing it is. I want to go and have a look, but our bus is at 11. So we're going to have a look on the way back if we've got time.
But how to make her see the truth about my past.
We're at Blizzard Beach! Woo! This is Callum's first ever water park. Excited? So we've just got to Blizzard Beach, and we put on, because if any of you guys watch Jade, like me and Callum have both got the magic band tails. Yeah, so I've took mine back in, but we put it on my story, and she put, ah, this is so cute, yay, and then we got mentioned on her story. Oh, it won't even show me now. Look. And then she put us on her story. This is the best day ever.
What?
Are you excited? Look at that big tall one right up there. That's the one that you said you'd go on. How are you feeling now?
Does it just shoot you off the end?
No, he thinks that one shoots you off the end.
It looks like it does.
No, it looks like it, but you go straight down. It's one of them ones where you cross your arms. Are you going on it?
Yeah.
So me and, I'm just going to have to film here before I go in, but me and Callum are just about to go and get changed, ready for the water park, so I'm going to swap over to my GoPro. I'll try and get as much footage as I can. I will have my phone as well, but obviously we'll see what they say about GoPros and stuff. So yeah, in fact, do I just take my phone?
Just use your phone, yeah.
I'm just going to keep my phone on me, so I'll probably be able to use my phone instead of that. So I'll try that, and then if it doesn't work, I'll take my GoPro. We'll see. But I might put my GoPro in the lazy river and then my phone on the slides.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. So we're just going to go and get changed. So I'm going to put you away now, so see you in a bit. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me because you're in the phone case thing, but it's so pretty here and it's so warm. Oh my god, is that a rain cloud? That looks a bit like a rain cloud to me.
Underwater.
Wait. Ready? Me and Callum are going to race to see who wins. Let's go. I think I'm going to win. Do you think you're going to win, Ami? Yeah, whatever. Nothing? I said it looks nice, it looks fun, that.
See how I chicken out?
Yeah.
Oh, so.
On your mark, get set, go!
So Callum won by quite a lot because I couldn't set off. So
Football, though.
I tried, I couldn't do it. So we're gonna have a rematch on the one that's next to it, not toboggan. I can't remember what the other one's called, but it's like instead of a straight down one, it's like zigzagged. So again, this is Callum today.
Wait, I'll just spell the name.
C-A-L-L-U-N, not Callum. We just come for dinner. We've got chicken strips and steak fries, they're called, but they're just chips. And Callum got the same, and then yeah, I'm just gonna chuck in.
They have mayo today.
Yeah, they have mayo, so somebody's happy. But yeah, so we're just gonna chuck in.
She turned away from me.
He's holding back, he's hiding. But what I can't decide, why won't he be the king I know he is, the king I see inside?
No, don't.
Much of it did.
Imagine.
What's that doing out?
We look like that. No. Joke's on you.
I think I got you doing that.
I can't.
I'm gonna take camera around, but I don't know how.
It's got a bit cloudy again. But it's still really nice and warm. Where are you? Oh no! I think we might miss it. Oh, I dropped my sunglasses. It just got my toes. It's the only way we can stay together because it's so blue. Give it up. Trying to fit into a kid's one. So this one keeps falling off the kid one, and I haven't filmed it yet, so I'm just going to keep it rolling just in case he does. Nearly. Epcot a second ago. Oh, there. Epcot is there in between. And then Hollywood Studios is there. And this is how high up we are. And we're not even at the top yet. And I am scared. But Callum's like, yeah, Leah, come on, it's fine. But I am proper scared. And I'm having that one. Wait, I'm showing which one. That one.
I'm gonna drunk.
It's come out. Right, let me hold it up here. We thought we'd come and have a quick look before we go over to Animal Kingdom. We've just been at Blizzard Beach, got the internal bus back, and now we're just walking to Jambo House.
Hello.
want to stay. I want to stay here.
Oh, there's a lizard. And I nailed on it.
I literally want to stay here so bad. This is literally like, I've seen it on videos before, but I never realised how beautiful it was in person. I really want to stay on site now. And I want to do the Disneyland.
So look how good these are, I can't stop time, right?
That's nice, isn't it?
What? That line?
I'm actually really impressed. I look really tanned. Even though, I'm going to be honest, I have burnt a bit. I'll show you when we get back to the hotel. Callum's burnt. But we are now at... Well, you think it's going to be your favourite part. You're not sure yet. You've not been. Oh wait, you can't even see it. We're at Animal Kingdom! We see it! It's a tree alive. Look at all these people leaving as well, can I just say. So, who knows? Might be able to get on Avatar tonight. Callum is in his element in Dinosaur Land. It is amazing near there. They've just had a dance party going on and we can't join in because we've got a fast pass to get to and we're already late for it. Well, running late for it. It ends at 7:35, then we can't find the way to it, so we're hoping and praying we can find it. We're gonna make it, we think. We think we might make it. We made it! With like 15 minutes to spare. Thank you.
Everest team members, once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. And like, por favor, cuide a los niños.
So we have just done Expedition Everest, best ride in Disney by far, or it is for us anyway, from what we've done so far. We haven't been to Hollywood Studios yet, and we haven't ridden any rides in Epcot, but that was so good. We've got Navi River Journey next, so we're just taking a slow and steady walk round from Asia all the way to Pandora. just to see if we can get on anything else before we actually get on that. Oh, I'm out of breath. It's so warm, it's 33 degrees. And I've got my Vans in for my brace, so just ignore that please. But yeah. It's for Navi River journey. Oh wow, like
It's good.
that is honestly, that's beautiful. Have you ever tried boba before?
I didn't try what?
Boba before that?
It's like fish eggs or something.
Good, innit? Try the actual drink. Good. Yeah, I prefer the boba.
So they use the
You excited?
gray water, yeah, and they use like.
Look at me then.
Taking photos! We are just queuing up again for Expedition Everest because there's 2 showings of Rivers Light and I didn't realise, but we've got a fast pass for it, but for the 9:20 one. So, and it's 9 o'clock, so it's on now and we don't want to ruin it. So we thought we'd come and queue and go on this.
Namaste and welcome to Rivers of Light. Tonight we gather together at the water's edge as one community in celebration of life.
From the day we arrived on the planet.
Everything we feel.
So Callum is currently asleep, but I decided to end today's vlog. We came back, we had such a stress getting back because when Rivers of Light finished, we had to get a bus to Magic Kingdom, then a bus from Magic Kingdom to the hotel, but it was getting there at 11:30 and Rivers of Light, we didn't get out of Animal Kingdom till 10:30 and we had to do all that in an hour and literally it was rammed in Magic Kingdom like trying to get out. So yeah, but we made it. I got home, we got showered and we've had some McDonald's because we were starving, and now we're off to bed because we've got Animal Kingdom again tomorrow all day. But I don't think we're going to stay as late because we have a lot to do over the weekend. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I will see you in the next one. very, very soon. Bye.